So good morning, dear students. So today question: f is equal to x square plus y square into minus 2xyz, not k term. Evaluate integration f dot dr, where the curve is the rectangle in the xy plane. And you can select it x-axis and y-axis plane, bounded and condition y equal to 0, y equal to b, x equal to 0, x equal to a. So first we can draw the one diagram, rectangle diagram with respect to x-axis and y-axis. That is, diagram is very important because you taking the limits process is depending on the diagram. Okay, this here is given. You can conduct the line integration. Evaluate this term, integrated part. First we can select f term. F equal to x square plus y square into I minus 2xyj plus 0 into k. Small r equal to xr plus yj plus zk. After dr is equal to dxr plus dyj plus dzk over next f dot dr dot product x square plus y square I dot I1. So x square plus y square into I dot I means is I quotient x square plus y square, I quotient dx. So I dot I1, so x square plus y square into dx plus j dot j1. So this is coefficient minus 2xy. So minus 2xy into dy. So next to this side k term below, that is we can select 0 into k. So total 0 into this term 0. Finally f dot dr is equal to x square plus y square into dx minus 2xy dy plus 0, nothing but x square plus y square into dx minus 2xy dy. This is a star. Next process, given conditions, given that y equal to 0, y equal to b, x equal to 0, x equal to a, means this is x axis, y axis, this origin 0 comma 0, this is capital A is equal to point 0 comma 0. This is distance, origin to distance, what is small a, means this is x distance. So in x axis y coordinate value what is 0. So this is B point. This is origin 0 0. Distance is x. So you can select it a comma 0 another point. Lie on the x axis, that is point B. Next to one condition, x equal to 0, x equal to complete. Next y equal to b. Y equal to b means this distance. This by distance origin to what is b. This is y axis. Y axis means x value what is 0. This is another point. So that is you can select that 0 comma b. This side 0 0 is origin. This side a comma 0. This side 0 comma b. 3 points is completed. Another point, what is condition? X equal to a, y equal to b. Means x distance and y distance. This is point. X distance a, y distance what is b. So this is point a comma b. So this is another point in this origin. So final points, a equal to 0 0, b equal to a comma 0, c equal to a comma b, d equal to 0 comma b. So this is 4 points and you can select it a b c d 0 0 a 0 a b 0 b. Case 1 what happen means you can select a line integral a to b, one condition. Next line integral b to c. Next line integral c to d. Next line integral d to a. Total 4 cases. I am selecting first case 1. So very important, what is AB? A integration AB f dot dr equal, limits is very important. This side 0 comma 0, this side a comma 0. Means 0 comma 0, another point what is a comma 0. You can selecting limits, this is a to 0 to a. This is x limit. So lower limit 0, upper limit a. So I am selecting x limits 0 to a. Next y value what is 0, this side 0. So that is y equal to 0. Derivative after completed dy equal to 0. Substitute total value and taking the limits in the term. Dy value what is 0. 0 into something 0. Next to x square plus y square into dx of dx. Y value what is 0. Substitute in the stock. Final indication AB f dot dr equal x limit containing 0 to a x square dx only. So what is integration x square x cube by 3. So upper limit minus lower limit a cube by 3. This is integration a to b is completed. Next integration b to c. So what happens means limits is very important. This is a comma 0, this side a comma b. So in this term this side a, this side a. This is fixed value. So this is not selected limits. You can take limit 0 to b. That is y limits. Y limits what is 0 to b. Means integration with respect to dy. So x value what happen? X equal to 0, x equal to 0. This is constant value. X equal to 0. Derivative term what happen? Dx equal to 0. So substitute the dx term in star. So dx is total remove. This is 0 part. This side dy x value what is small a. So total minus 2a into y into dy. What is limits? Y equal 0 to b. So after integration minus 2 is outside. Y dy integration y square by 2. So upper limit minus lower limit. Total 2 to cancel minus a into b square. Case 1 is over. Case 2 is over. Case 3. Where to where? C to d. Integration C to d f dot dr. So a comma b is C point, d point 0 comma b. So you can select b x value this side a to 0. You can select x limits. Lower limit a, upper limit 0. Next to y value this side b, this side b. So b is constant. Dy also derivative value 0. Y equal to b, dy equal to 0. So substitute the star integration ct f dot dr equal limits x limits a to 0 x square dy value total 0. This is 0. This side x square plus y value what is y value d. So x square plus d square of dx. So very important limits and integration process. X limits you can take this side dx. Y limits you can assume this side dy integration. So x equal x limits integration a to 0 x square to b square of dx. X square integration x cube by 3. B square is constant. Only integration 1 dx, nothing but x. So limits is substitute upper limit minus lower limit. So upper limit 0, 0 cube by 3 minus lower limit a cube by 3 plus upper limit b square of upper limit 0 minus lower limit a. After total simplification minus a cube by 3 minus ab square. This is case 3. Next case 4. Case 4 is d to a. D to a. So what is point? This is 0 comma b this side 0 0. So you can select y limits b to 0. X value 0. So case 4 x value 0 dx equal to 0. Y limits what is b to 0. So integration dA f dot dr equal y limits b to 0. X value what is 0 and dx value also 0. This is total term 0. This is also substitute x value 0. So total 0. Total term 0 after integration 0. So substitute the 4 parts. 4 separate integration part. Substitute in this case integration f dot dr equal to integration a to b f dot dr plus integration bc f dot dr plus integration cd f dot dr plus integration dA f dot dr. Substitute the values a cube by 3 minus ab square. A cube by 3 first case, second case minus ab square, third case minus a cube by 3 minus ab square plus 4 plus 0. So a cube by 3 minus a cube by 3 cancel minus ab square minus b square is nothing but minus 2a b square. This is final f dot dr value integration f dot dr value. So main important given function and diagram and you can select a limits process. So first you can draw the diagram and you can select the correct points and you can apply the x is where to where traveling and limits. Y is where to where traveling. That is limits is important and you can select all case 1, case 2, case 3, case 4 and substitute the all terms. Find out the answer is integration f dot dr equal minus a b square. This condition, so you can select the correct conditions. So main condition is important depending on conditions. Direct f is given or condition is given or direct limits is given. Some question, previous question limits also direct given. So you can substitute the process direct dot here, okay. But in this question you can draw the diagram and you can case 1, case 2, case 3, case 4 process, and you can assume the correct limits, and integration also very important. You can select x limits and integration dx. You can select the y limits and integration dy. This is a very easy question. Main diagram, and you can assume the correct limits and also applying the integration formulas and find out the total answer and substitute this total 4 parts. So total f dot here equal to part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, where substitute case and find the integration process, that is minus